Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope that you're all doing good.
We already have a number of videos in this channel wherein we discussed about dual citizenship, the qualifications and disqualifications, how to apply for dual citizenship, its advantages and disadvantages, among other things. In this video, I would like to talk about the limitations to your rights when you become a dual citizen. In other words, the rights that you cannot exercise when you become a dual citizen. It is appropriate to start by saying that retaining or reacquiring your Philippine citizenship under RA 9225 or the Citizenship Retention and Reacquisition Act of 2003 brings about certain benefits, foremost of which is the legal effect that you are once again entitled to your civil and political rights as a Filipino citizen. However, because you possess two citizenships, or in the case of others, more than two citizenships, there are limitations in the exercise of these civil and political rights. First, the retention or reacquisition of your Philippine citizenship does not automatically entitle you to exercise your right of suffrage or the right to vote in an election. You need to register first with the Comelec as a voter. If you are outside the Philippines, you can register with the Philippine Consular Office nearest you, in which case you may be able to participate in absentee voting during national elections. The fact that you have retained or reacquired your Philippine citizenship does not mean that you can now run for public office in the Philippines. If you have political plans or ambitions in the Philippines, your dual citizenship can serve as a legal barrier. That includes running for the position of a barangay chairman or sanggunian member. Under RA 9225, at the time of the filing of your certificate of candidacy, you must make a personal and sworn renunciation of your foreign citizenship before any public officer authorized to administer an oath, meaning you will need to give up your other citizenship. The same is true when you plan to work in the government. For you to get appointed to any public office, you are also required to renounce your oath of allegiance to the country where you took that oath. So if you are contemplating of going back to the Philippines in order to work in the government, bear in mind that the law requires you to renounce your allegiance to the other country. As a dual citizen, you are also entitled to exercise your right to vote, but you cannot exercise this right if you are a candidate for or you are occupying a public office in the country in which you are a naturalized citizen. The same rule will apply if you are in the active service as commissioned or non-commissioned officer in the armed forces of the country in which you are naturalized citizen. Finally, retaining or reacquiring your Philippine citizenship under RA 9225 does not automatically reinstate your professional license. For doctors, lawyers, engineers, nurses, and other professionals, you will need to apply with the proper authority for a license or permit to engage in that practice.
I hope that you have learned something from this video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you think that this channel can be of help in providing you with useful and relevant information, please feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you will get notified of our future videos. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.